Another common condition we find in kitchens is an oven range. And here we have a gas oven range. And this one is missing an anti-tip bracket. What that will do is prevent the oven from tipping when the door is open and maybe a heavy turkey gets put on the door or a child climbs up on it or whatever the scenario would be. But say you had a pot of boiling water or anything cooking on the range, and as you can see, I can pull up and tip the range easily. So there's anti-tip bracket that you can have installed at the bottom and the back so that the back foot slides into it and prevents that from happening. It's a good safety measure to take. About half of these that we test, at least half of the ones we test, are missing those anti-tip brackets.